Kaptein Makula het aan my verduidelik dat as ek 'n private prokureur sou hê, moet ek weet daai prokureur gaan my geld klaarmaak.
And Captain Makula informed me that should I use private defense, that attorney is going to finish my money.
Sebati Captain Makula akabataura nyedze kuti kana unoda kushandisa mumiruru uri kumbhadhara nemari yako ziva kuti mari ichapera.
Hy sal daarvoor sorg. En ek weet tot vandag toe nie hoe sal hy sorg nie. Maar dis wat hy gesê het.
He said that he will see to it. Even up to today, I do not know what he implied by saying he will see it. He will see to it, but he said it.
Vakataura mashoko ekuti ndichazviona kuti ndichaitise kusvika nezvezvi handizivi kuti anga achida kuti kutaura kuti chii achitaura nenzira iyoyo.
Ek het basies emosioneel geknak op daardie stadium.
My lady, I will basically say that at that stage I was emotionally broken.
Sebati kuya nenguva iyoyo moyo wavo wanga uchigwadza.
Sy volgende woorde was: as ek nie 'n prokureur het op die einde van die dag nie, sal hy wat kaptein Makula is, sorg dat ek vir die res van my lewe 2 lewenssentences sal kry.
And he continued telling me that if I do not use legal representation, he will see to it that I get 2 life sentences imprisonment.
I want you to repeat what you said. Mr. Oliphant, just repeat what you said. What did he say?
Hy het gesê, as die geld klaar is, en my prokureur is nie meer daar nie, dan sal hy sorg dat ek 2 lewensvonnisses kry, want ek het nou nie meer 'n prokureur nie.
My lady, he said that when my legal representative is no longer there, he will see to it that I will then be sentenced to 2 life sentences.
I had him talking about Klaar and Geld. What did you say?
Money, when the money has
When
run
the
out.
money, yeah.
Yes.
That was not said. So you are saying that he continued telling you that when the money is finished for paying your legal representative, you then make sure that you get 2 life sentences. Is it what he said?
Die hof wil net verstaan, is dit wat jy sê, dat hy vir jou gesê het, as jy geld klaar is om jou prokureur te betaal, sal hy na dit seker maak, jy word gevonnis na 2 lewenslange tronkstraf. That is correct, my lady.
Sebati